Here in McKinney, we can experience extreme winter weather in the form of freezing rain, ice, or snow. Planning ahead is crucial for cold weather. Basic emergency supplies like a flashlight, food, water, batteries, and a first aid kit in both your car and home can be life-saving during severe weather. It's also a good idea to have backup heating sources with proper ventilation in case of a power outage. Keep informed when temperatures start to drop and listen for some key terms. Winter weather advisory means wintry weather is expected. Light snow or blowing snow might make things a bit slippery out there, so be on the lookout. Travel could get tricky if you're not careful. Winter storm watch means that we might be in for a winter storm. Snow, sleet, or ice. Prepare for a little bit of everything. It's that time when conditions are just right for a significant weather event. Stay tuned for updates. If a winter storm warning is reported, hold tight. A winter storm is on the horizon and it means business. Heavy snow, sleet, or freezing rain is expected, and it could seriously impact the area. Travel may become a real challenge, so consider delaying your plans until things clear up. If below freezing temperatures are in the forecast, keep faucets dripping, wear several layers of warm clothing, and prepare a winter survival kit for your car. You should also prepare your car by checking all your fluid levels, your tire tread and air pressure, and that you have enough gas to get around in an emergency. Remember, stay informed by keeping an eye on local weather forecasts and follow any winter weather advisories, watches, or warnings issued by authorities. Stay safe, stay warm, and be prepared for whatever winter weather throws your way. Learn more about preparing for winter at McKinneyOEM.org.